Once again po, Mr. Jameson Blake and Miss Geraldine Jennings. Mr. Jameson Blake is a Kapamilya leading man. And also, Miss Geraldine Jennings is a singer, actress with British accent. Based on my own research. Alright, let's all welcome them here, guys. I can see Mr. Jameson already. Here they are. Wow. They both look stunning indeed. Grab it. I can also hear people here saying grab it. Grab it, oh grab it. Yes. We were left with no word but to say grab it talaga. Yun. Once again everyone, palakpakan natin Miss Geraldine Jennings and Mr. Jameson Blake. Round of applause please everyone. Here they are. Hello, good afternoon. So who will speak first?
Hello everyone. Good day sa inyong lahat. It's nice to see you all. Ang dami maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito to support our film na Isla Babuyan. And ayun, I hope you guys can help us support the film and tell your friends and family and post on social media. So ayun, maraming salamat.
Yeah, and how about you, ma'am?
Hi! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Geraldine Jennings. I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone for coming and supporting our film. Sana you guys enjoy it. So please help us like and share our trailer. And yeah, thank you.
Alright, mukhang mapapasubo yung yung accent ko this afternoon. Let's try it. I'm just kidding. Okay, Miss Geraldine, is there anything that we will look forward with your role here sa Isla Babuyan?
My role here?
Yes.
Yeah, I would say because my character, she's like balikbayan, so she's coming back from the UK. So there's a lot of like funny things that is very different cultural differences na you will laugh talaga. So I think that's something you'd enjoy, yeah.
Ayun. Good thing nagtatagalog pala si ma'am. Alright. Yan, na-stop din ako kasi you look like a beauty queen indeed. Diba, you look so tall, you look so beautiful, you also look like a living doll.
Thank you so much. You too. Thank you.
Thank you so much. But I look like a voodoo doll. I'm just kidding. But anyways, how about you, sir? Sir James, Jameson?
Yes.
Yeah, is there anything na kailangan namin i-look forward sa character mo so that at least our listeners, hearers, and viewers will be a little bit more excited?
Well, sa film na to, sigurado ako makikita nyo may mga skin na medyo di naman siya super daring pero medyo spicy din yung mga scenes. A little spicy naman. Kahit malamig yung tubig sa mga beach scenes namin. Pero ayun, I play as Jordan. Anak ako ni role ni James Blanco sa movie na to. And ayun, isang rich beach boy na pumasok sa buhay ni Anastasia.
I'm actually really happy to see the both of you, especially you, sir. I'm really a fan.
Thank you so much.
But anyways, I've got another question. How was the experience working with together?
Well, syempre, alam ko na first time ni Geraldine. It's her first movie, pero it went smoothly naman. I tried to help her din kasi nung nag-start din ako sa showbiz, naging challenge din sa akin yung pagtatagalog. And at least for first time, she did well. And I also tried to help her based on my knowledge and experience. I tried my best to help her and guide her sa mga scenes namin. And with the whole cast din, na-enjoy ko din. I got close with the other cast members na hindi ko din na-expect na magiging close din kami. So, overall, it was a fun experience.
Alright, so I've got another question for you, ma'am. So, since it was mentioned na parang this was your first?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so what was the preparation? Or what were the preparation that you did?
I did.
Yes, for you to have this kind of movie.
Like
Yeah. How did you prepare for you to portray the role effectively?
I mean, I think, first of all, I printed the script and I translated everything to English. and then I read it many, many times, and then may acting coach din ako beforehand. So, yeah, but honestly, I really think I was so lucky that my co-stars, Jameson, Miss Lot, James Blanco, Natalie, all of them, they're very experienced. So when you have people like that, really, really good experience, they kind of bring the best in me. So I think that what made
So
me-
how was the experience working with them?
in the beginning, I must admit, I was really nervous. So the first 2 days, I was really scared. But then after a while, I was like, oh, it's okay, it's fun, you know, and they're really nice people. So yeah, I'm really grateful that I got to work with them as a newbie. So not
Alright.
everyone gets to do that. So I'm
Alright.
grateful.
So this is also the same question that I asked to them kanina. If you were to describe the movie in one word, what word would that be? Sir Jameson?
Ano ba? Hot, I would say. Kasi mainit din yung lugar.
Oh.
And in general naman yung story, as in, mainit yung
Alright.
mga nangyayari sa movie. So,
So in other words, we will be seeing something hot.
not in that way naman, pero in general, I would say.
Alright. We were actually excited. And how about you, ma'am? If you were to describe the movie in one word, what word would that be?
Cool. Unexpected. It's
Unexpected.
not what you think it's going to be.
Oh.
Yes, so abangan ninyo.
So it's really indeed a roller coaster.
It's a roller coaster.
Alright. So, ma'am and sir, any message to your supporters who one way or another made their effort just to be here?
Ayun, maraming salamat. Thank you. Alam ko na hindi rin malapit yung mga panggalingan nyo, pero I wanna appreciate you all for coming here. And ayun, please stay safe kahit medyo magulo ngayon sa bansa natin. Pero I mean, I wish you guys all the best, and ayun, maraming salamat for coming today.
Ma'am?
I just want to say thank you so much to all my friends and my family for coming here. It was sobrang traffic today, but you guys all made it. Thank you to everyone supporting this film, all of the fans of Jameson, all the other cast. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Everyone, let's all give them a round of applause, please. Again, Mr. Geraldine Jennings and Mr. Jameson Blake. All right, thank you so much. Alright, so we would like to inform everyone that you now may proceed inside po, no, sa ating cinema.
Tara, baka mamaya. Sige, wait lang. Wait lang mo lang. Hindi, bro, mamaya. Tayo mo ako doon. Sorry. Dito ka po. Magpapaksa.